Hey guys, and welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to daily trade cryptocurrency and make profit from it. The exchange I'll be using is Cryptopia, and the reason why I'm using this exchange is because it does not require ID verification. One other reason is that this exchange has lots of coins, like a ton, like I don't know, maybe like 90% of the cryptocurrencies out there are listed on Cryptopia. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to trade and make profit from it, like insane amount of profits, like maybe like I would say like at least 100% a day. If you guys are going to be using Cryptopia, my referral link will be in the description below. As far as I know, right now Cryptopia has closed off its new user registration, but hopefully soon they're going to unlock it again. I've been doing this for the past 3 days and I've made at least 100% each day. I'm going to be showing you right now. So first of all, you want to go to CoinMarketCap and click on trending, recently added, and you're going to look at some of the coins that have been added. For example, OP coin has been added 2 days ago. And this coin started off at 100 satoshis, spiked up all the way to 1000, I think. Yeah, 1000. Then went down, and I bought at around 390, and then sold off and made some profits. Now, this is if you were to be looking at new coins that have been recently added. What you can also do, and here are the coins that I should suggest using, since these coins are always like fluctuating in price and they're going up and down, and this gives you a chance to easily double your money. So the first coin we'll be looking at is called Trump coin. I know Trump, no, I'm not a supporter of Trump. No, this coin is actually not made by Donald Trump. It's just a community, I guess, that supports Trump. But yeah, this coin, I use it to, I've made a lot of, let me go to here, 1 second. And as you can see on Cryptopia, this coin right now is trading at around, let's say, 3,709 satoshis. As you can see, my last order, my market history, I bought at 2,900. And I'm willing to sell at 3,898. My order is right here. And as you can see, I'm just gonna let you guys take a look here. I started off with this amount of Bitcoin, and at the end, this is what I have. If my order sells, which is this one, if it sells, which is 165 Trump coins, I will be getting this much Bitcoin. This is like around, this price right here is around maybe like $15 worth of Bitcoin. This one is maybe $110 worth of Bitcoin. And how long? I started off on the 7th. Right now it's 5 AM 11th of January, so it's kind of around like 3 days. So yeah, from the 7th, let's say till the 10th, that's like 3 days. I've increased my money from $15 to $100. Let's say that's like around 500%, I guess, in 3 days. If you look at around like a month's worth of work, then I'll leave that calculation for you, I guess. So yeah, how do you make profit? Well, the main rule is to always buy low and sell high. As you can see here, in each of my trades, I've been buying at a lower price and selling at a higher price. 6,000, selling at 8,000, buying at 5,000, selling at 6,500, buying at 5,200, selling at 6,000, buying at 4,400, selling at 6,000, etc. Basically, each time I'm like either doubling or 1.5 times my money each time. There is a risk to it. there is a chance that, let's say you wanted to buy right now and you wanted to buy at a cheaper price, and what you should always do is to never buy at this price. Always buy at a cheaper price. And when you do that, let's say you did that, when you bought at this price, the price even went lower. If you sell at the other price, you're gonna lose money. The best thing I would say to do is to just wait. Be patient. Trust me, this has happened to me a lot of times on where I risked my money and I bought at a cheap price, but it actually dropped even more than what I've bought at. And it dropped more, so I was like panicking, but I chose to not sell. Never sell low, because the direction of cryptocurrency is always up. Doesn't matter, like if you think about it in the long term, it's always up. So yeah, now, how to predict whether the price is gonna go up or gonna go down? Let's see here. If you look at the buy orders, first of all, you can on Cryptopia, you can click on order book, and it tells you how much Bitcoin is being sold. Like if you calculate the difference between the Trump coin and the Bitcoin, like the sell orders are currently 1 Bitcoin, around 1 Bitcoin, but the buy orders are around 1.58. This means that there's a higher demand than the supply. This means that in the future the coin will go up. And the reason why is because if you look at the buy orders, there's a buy order at 3,402 Satoshis, which is at around 1,600 Trump coins. And this will basically, what happens is when people want to buy, since they don't want to wait in line and buy at 3,402, they would just like buy at a more expensive price for like a 1% or a 0.5%, you know, depending on how much you're buying, and they would skip the line. So basically, oh, and there's also one right here at 10,000 Trump coins. The price will never, like 90% chance it's not gonna go below this price, which is 2,853. I would say maybe 50% chance it's gonna go below this price. But if you look here, on the other hand, it's the same thing on the sell order. It's gonna pass 3,700, 3,710, 3,900, 3,900, and it's gonna stop. Why? Because there is a huge order, and people are just gonna sell their coin for cheaper before this one gets sold. So always make sure that you take a look at what each order size is. And for example, let's say I bought at 2,900, right? I'm safe as long as I sell. I'm making profit as long as I sell more than 2,900. And if I sell at a price that's higher than this, then I'm making profit. But let's say the price dropped to 3,400. I'm still making profit. So you need to set like an area which would give you an idea on what is safe to sell at, and like don't get too greedy. Don't risk too much. If you, like for example, here myself, I'm getting greedy because I bought at 2,900 and I'm willing to sell it at 3,900. But I could just sell at 3,400 and make profit. The profit would be higher for 3,900, but you're still making profit at 3,400. Now here are the coins that I will be advising you to trade in. The first one is Trump coin. It keeps going up and down, as you can see. Keeps going up and down. It reached a high of 8,000, I think, which is the maximum, I'm not sure. And the second coin is Triangle, which is kind of the same. It keeps going up and down. Oh, looks like there's a dip right there that might give me a chance to buy on this dip. Yeah. So as you can see, every coin keeps going up and down. You want to buy low and sell high. And one more coin is Magnet. Same thing, it keeps going up and down. This coin, believe it or not, used to sell at 35,000 satoshis, and now it's selling only at 9,000, 10,000. But yeah, Magnet coin is less of a risk because, as you can see, you could just buy at 9,000, sell at 10,000 or 11,000, and you're making profit. Less profit, of course, than with Trump and Triangle. And the last coin is OPC, which is OP coin. And as you can see now, this coin is the riskiest of them all. The reason why is because this coin is kind of tricky. It got pumped, it got released like 1 day ago, less than a day ago, and it got pumped and then it went down. And what happened is, I bought at 390, and it started going up to like 420, 430, and I'm like, okay, I won't sell now. And then all of a sudden it drops to 200. And I was like, no, I can't take this. I'm just gonna sell right when I start making profit. And I put a sell order for 394, went to sleep, woke up the next day, and it got sold. So yeah, guys, by the way, I forgot to show you how to deposit into your Cryptopia account. Do you see the B right here next to your account name? You just click on it and then click on deposit. It will ask you to send Bitcoin, whatever currency you want, to the address, and then you'll get your money in Cryptopia. So guys, hope this helped out, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And yeah guys, make sure to subscribe.